got it.
Welcome to your Daily Stock Report, brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Kathy Rankin, and for Tuesday, March 13th, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets, as well as the top movers to look out for today, and it's great to be back. I was on assignment. In headline news today, the market had its share of trading catalysts yesterday, and it chose to ignore them for most of the session. On the plus side, oil prices dropped below $60 per barrel, and there was another round of merger and acquisition activity that was highlighted by Schering Plow's $14.4 billion cash offer for Akzo Nobel's drug unit Organon. On the negative side, Countrywide Financial said it expects to experience short-term earnings volatility due to the tightening of its underwriting guidelines in response to the troubles in the subprime mortgage market. The latter declaration seemed to keep the market in handcuffs in the early going as it fueled concerns about potential spillover effects of the subprime issue into the broader economy and weighed noticeably on the financial stocks. The broader market, however, didn't buckle in the face of initial selling efforts, as relative strength in the technology sector helped neutralize the weak showing in the financial sector. That measure of resilience held buyers' attention, as it was viewed as a potential signal that the concerns about the subprime mortgage issue have already been discounted in the market. That point remains debatable, but recognizing the subprime factor didn't rattle the market in appreciable fashion, buyers emerged in the afternoon session and helped push the S&P 500 to the brink of the high point it saw on Friday following the February jobs report. It was there that the afternoon rally try ran out of gas as technical resistance pushed the market back in the late stages of trading. The major indices, however, still closed the session with modest gains. 8 out of 10 economic sectors ended the day higher, but the lack of participation from the financial sector was the key limiting factor that kept overall gains in check. Our small cap headlines today are brought to you by Nascent Food Service. Now, Nascent Food Service is one of Baja, Mexico's largest food distributors, marketing and distributing over 1,400 national and proprietary brand food and non-food products to over 1,000 customers. Now, recapping some of last week's movers and shakers and some of the companies we'll be watching closely this week at the Quality Stocks Daily are Caprice Incorporated, announced this month that it has completed a private placement for $2.5 million of a newly created Series E preferred stock to 4 institutional investors, including Special Situations Fund, a principal stockholder of the company. Caprice Incorporated is a manufacturer of proprietary equipment for the on-site disinfection and disposal of infectious medical waste. The company's SteriMed technology shreds and disinfects solid and liquid regulated medical waste, rendering it harmless for disposal as ordinary waste. Industry analysts estimate the medical waste market to be approximately $3 billion, who knew, in the U.S. and approximately $10 billion worldwide. Now, EP Global Communications Incorporated announced the signing of a sponsorship agreement with Valiant Pharmaceuticals for the development of an educational program focused on the necessity of a seizure preparedness plan. EP Global is a 36-year-old award-winning publishing and communications company which publishes and distributes Exceptional Parent Magazine, an international publication designed to serve the information needs of families and professionals who are involved in the care and development of children and adults with disabilities and special health care needs. Victory Energy Corporation announced yesterday they have set the schedule for work to begin in the Palo Duro Basin prospect. Victory Energy Corporation focuses on the oil and gas industry. It engages in the acquisition and development of oil and gas properties in the United States and Canada. And that's it for the newsmakers today. Be sure to stay tuned for QualityStocks.net Daily Report, where you'll see the latest commentary on everything from small cap to large cap and everything in between. Also, make sure you tune in for the daily newsletter brought to you by QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Kathy Rankin. Have a great day, and we'll see you again tomorrow on the Daily Report.
This transmission is coming to you.
You've got it.